This is sauerkraut, made in a mason jar, firm and crunchy, with a bright sour taste, and ready in just few days. A mason jar lets you make smaller batches, try different ingredients, and ferment sauerkraut in any kitchen. The result depends on few details that are easy to overlook. This is how to make it right every time. A 1-liter jar will usually pack about 600 to 800 grams of cabbage, depending on the shred size and how much liquid it releases. Use 2% salt by weight of the shredded cabbage and anything added to it. That is 2 grams of salt for every 100 grams of total weight of all ingredients. Do not measure salt by volume. Weigh it. Different salts pack differently. The same volume can give you different amounts of salt. Use pickling, kosher, or sea salt. Do not use table salt. Regular table salt often has iodine and anti-caking agents that will interfere with fermentation. Add salt to your shredded cabbage and massage it until it softens and begins to release liquid. Make sure the salt is mixed through all of the cabbage before packing. If the salt is uneven, some areas will ferment faster than the others. Transfer the cabbage into a clean mason jar. Press it down firmly as you fill it to remove air pockets. A cabbage tamper makes this easier, but a spoon or your hand will work too. Press until the cabbage stops springing back and the liquid rises above it. Continue until the jar is about 3/4 full after pressing. Leave space for the cabbage to rise during fermentation. As fermentation begins, gas will build up and push the cabbage up. Any cabbage left above the brine will soften, darken, and develop off flavor. If the liquid does not fully cover the cabbage immediately after packing, add 2% salt brine. That is 20 grams of salt per 1 liter of clean, non-chlorinated water. Add just enough to fully cover the cabbage. Do not add plain water. Plain water would dilute the salt and destabilize fermentation. Cover the cabbage with the cabbage leaf to prevent pieces from floating to the top. Floating pieces are the first to spoil and can develop mold. Add a weight to keep the cabbage fully submerged in brine. For weights, you can use fermentation glass stones or a bag filled with water. If you use a bag, fill it with 2% salt solution instead of plain water. If it leaks, it will not dilute the brine. The same salt levels and submersion principles apply whether you're fermenting in a mason jar or a larger batch. Cover the jar with a fermentation lid or a regular lid left slightly loose. Both will keep insects out, prevent the brine from drying, and allow gas produced during fermentation to escape. Keep the mason jar at normal room temperature, where 18 to 22 Celsius is ideal for a bright sour flavor and a firm crunchy texture. From this point, check daily that everything is still under the liquid. As fermentation begins, the cabbage will release gas and expand. Bubbles and clean sour smell are normal, while rotten smell is not. If the cabbage rises above the brine, press it down to keep it submerged. As the cabbage settles and compresses, more of the liquid, salt, and fermentation products can collect in some areas. This can create uneven flavor, including a harsher, almost metallic taste in some parts of the batch. Optionally, to prevent metallic flavors, After 12 to 24 hours, take the cabbage out, mix it, and pack it back in a jar. At ideal room temperature, the cabbage will usually be ready in 3 to 5 days. Do not wait until it is very sour. If you leave it longer, it will continue to ferment, soften, and lose structure. If your room temperature is too warm, the fermentation will speed up, the cabbage will soften sooner, and the flavor will become overly acidic and lose its brightness. Keep the mason jar in the coolest spot you have, and stop the fermentation earlier. In warmer conditions at 25 degrees Celsius or higher, start with slightly more salt, up to 2.5% by weight. This will slow fermentation and preserve structure, but it will also make it saltier and slower to develop acidity. The sauerkraut is ready when it is still firm. The cabbage resists when pressed, and the flavor is pleasantly sour. To preserve the texture and flavor, refrigerate the sauerkraut as soon as it is ready, and keep it submerged in brine while storing it. This is how to make sauerkraut at home in a mason jar. Firm, crunchy, with a bright sour taste every time.